हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कबीर हर्ष। देखिए, अब हम बात करने वाले हैं सेक्शन 170 ऑफ आईपीसी। 170 कहता है पर्सनेटिंग अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट whoever pretends to hold any particular office as a public servant knowing that he does not hold such office or falsely personate any other person holding such office and in such assumed character does an attempt or attempts to do any act under color of such office shall be punished with imprisonment of either description of term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or both. अब चैप्टर 11 देख लेते हैं ऑफ फॉल्स एविडेंस एंड ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट पब्लिक जस्टिस। सेक्शन 191 से शुरू होता है ये। गिविंग फॉल्स एविडेंस, whoever being legally bound by an oath or by any an express bound by an oath or by an express provision of law to state the truth or being bound by law to make a declaration upon any subject makes any statement which is false and which he either knows or believes it to be false or does not believe to be true is said to give a false evidence. Explanation, देखिए पहला explanation है, a statement is within the meaning of this section whether it is made verbally or otherwise, मतलब बोल करके किया हो या और किसी तरीके से किया हो। एक्सप्लेनेशन टू भी है, अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट एज टू बी टू द बिलीफ ऑफ द पर्सन अटेस्टिंग is within the meaning of this section, and a person may be guilty of giving false evidence by stating that he believes a thing which he does not believe, as well as by stating that he knows a thing which he does not know। मीन्स मतलब साफ साफ झूठ बोलना। ठीक है, इलस्ट्रेशन देख लीजिए, इलस्ट्रेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है। पहला इलस्ट्रेशन हम देखते हैं, ए इन सपोर्ट ऑफ अ जस्ट काम विच B has against Z for 1000 claim 1000 rupees falsely swears on a trial that he heard Z admit the justice of B's claim. A has given false evidence. B है, A bound being bound by an oath to state the truth states that he believes a certain signature to be the handwriting of Z. Acha, when he does not believe to be it to be the handwriting of Z, here A states that which he knows to be false and therefore gives a false evidence। मतलब हैंडराइटिंग की झूठा बोल दिया कि ये Z की हैंडराइटिंग है और फॉल्स एविडेंस दे दिया A ने। ठीक है, तीसरा, A knowing the general character of Z's handwriting states that he believes a certain signature to be the handwriting of Z। अब ए जो था वो सिग्नेचर जानता था जेड का कि कैसे करता है और उसकी हैंडराइटिंग जानता था, लेकिन उसने बोल दिया कि ये सिग्नेचर और हैंडराइटिंग जेड की है। ए इन गुड फेथ बिलीविंग इट टू बी सो, गुड फेथ में ए ने बोला। हियर ए स्टेटमेंट इज merely as to be believe and is true as he to his belief and therefore although the signature may not be the handwriting of Z, A has not given any false evidence। क्योंकि ए ने कोई फॉल्स एविडेंस इसलिए नहीं दिया क्योंकि वो जानता था, उसके जानकारी के हिसाब से वो सही कह रहा था, तो उसने कोई भी फॉल्स एविडेंस नहीं दिया। फिर डी, ए बीइंग बाउंड बाय एन ओथ टू स्टेट द ट्रूथ स्टेट्स दैट ही नोज द जेड was at a particular place on a particular day, not knowing anything upon the subject, A gives a false evidence whether Z was at that place on the day named or not। और पांचवा, A an interpreter or translator gives or certify as a true interpretation or translation of a statement or document which is bound by oath to interpret or translate truly that which is not and which he does not believe to be true interpretation or translation। A has given a false evidence। अब सेक्शन 192 फैब्रिकेटिंग फॉल्स एविडेंस। ठीक है, whoever causes any circumstances to exist or make any false entry in a book, इसमें कोई बुक और रिकॉर्ड में फॉल्स एंट्री करता है और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड, और मेक्स एनी डॉक्यूमेंट, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट बनाता है और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड containing a false evidence, false statement का, intending that such circumstances false entry or false statement may appear in evidence in a judicial proceeding or in a proceeding taken by law before a public servant as such, or before an arbitrator, and that such circumstance false entry or false statement so appearing in evidence may cause any person who in such proceeding is to form an opinion upon the evidence to entertain an enormous opinion touching any point material to the result of such proceeding is said to fabricate the false evidence. मतलब इतनी सारी चीजें अगर गलत वो करता है किसी फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट के लिए तो दैट मींस फॉल्स एविडेंस में जस्ट ऊपर की 2 लाइन पे था. इलस्ट्रेशन आप देख लीजिए. ए पुट्स ज्वेल इनटू अ बॉक्स बिलोंगिंग टू जेड. मतलब कोई कीमती चीज जेड के बॉक्स में एक बॉक्स में करके जो जेड का था with the intention that they may be found in that box and that is this circumstance may cause Z to be convict of theft. ठीक है. A has fabricated false evidence. झूठा सामान रख करके और Z को फंसाना चाहा. A makes a दूसरा देख लीजिए. A makes a false entry in his shop book for the purpose of using it as corroborative एविडेंस इन द कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. ए हैज फैब्रिकेटेड फॉल्स एंट्री डाला क्योंकि कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस में अपने लिए बचने के लिए. फिर तीसरा ए with the intention of causing Z to be convicted of an criminal conspiracy writes a letter in imitation of Z's handwriting. Z's handwriting का एक लेटर लिखा purporting to be addressed to an accomplice in such criminal conspiracy and puts the letter in place which he knows that the officer of the police are likely to search. A has fabricated false evidence Z को फंसाने के लिए. False affidavit, ये टर्म देख लीजिए. Filing a false affidavit is covered under section 191, 192 and 199 of IPC. बाबन सिंह वर्सेस जगदीश सिंह, AIR का जजमेंट है 1967 का. फिर सेक्शन 193 पनिशमेंट फॉर फॉल्स एविडेंस. पनिशमेंट क्या है? Whoever intentionally gives a false evidence in a stage of judicial proceeding or fabricated false evidence for the purpose of being used in any stage of a judicial proceeding shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 साल की punishment and plus fine. And whoever intentionally gives a or fabricate false evidence, जानबूझ करके false evidence और fabrication करता है in any other case और किसी केस में shall be punished with imprisonment for either description for term which may extend to 3 साल की with fine. Explanation देख लीजिए. A trial before a court martial is a judicial proceeding. Explanation to an investigation directed by law preliminary to a proceedings before a court of justice is a stage of judicial proceeding, though that investigation may not take place before a court of justice. Illustration, सबसे important चीज. A in an inquiry before a magistrate for a purpose of asserting whether Z ought to be committed for trial makes an on oath a statement which he knows to be false. As this inquiry in a state of judicial proceeding is given a false proceeding. For explanation 3, an investigation directed by court of justice according to law and conducted under the authority of the court of justice is a stage of judicial proceeding, though that investigation may not take place before a court of justice. Illustration क्या बोलता है? A in an inquiry before an officer deputed by a court of justice to ascertain on the spot the boundaries of land makes on oath a statement what he knows to be false. As this inquiry is a stage of judicial proceeding, A has given a false evidence. उसके बाद perjury क्या है? Cognizance of offense punishable under section 193 IPC on basis of private complaint not permissible. नरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार 2019 का केस लॉ है. फिर सेक्शन 194 क्या कहता है? गिविंग और फैब्रिकेटिंग फॉल्स एविडेंस विद इंटेंट टू प्रोक्योर conviction of capital offense. Whoever gives or fabricates false evidence intended thereby to cause or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby cause any person to be convicted of an offense which is capital by the law for the time being in force of in India shall be punished with imprisonment for life, with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 saal or liable to fine also. If innocent person be thereby convicted and executed, अगर गलती से हो गए भाई, and if an innocent person be convicted and executed in consequences of such false evidence, the person who gives such false evidence shall be punished with either with death or the punishment here then after described. Section 195 क्या कहता है? Giving or fabricating false evidence with intent to procure conviction of offense punishable with imprisonment for life or imprisonment. Whoever gives or fabricates false evidence intent thereby to cause or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby cause any person to be convicted of an offense which by the law of the time being in force in India is not capital but punishable with imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of 7 years or upward shall be punished with the person convicted of that offense would be liable to be punished. Illustration देख लीजिए. A gives a false evidence before a court of justice intending thereby to cause Z to be a convict of dacoity. The punishment of dacoity is imprisonment for life or rigorous imprisonment for term which may extend to 10 years with or without fine. A therefore is liable to imprisonment for life or imprisonment with or without fine. Section 195A. Threatening any person to give false evidence. किसी को डरा धमका के false evidence दिलवाना. Whoever threatens another with any injury to his person, reputation or property, injury to his person, reputation or property, or to the person or reputation of any person in whom that proper person is interested with intent to cause that person to give false evidence shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 साल की with fine or without both. And if innocent person is convicted and sentenced in consequence of such false evidence, means innocent person बेचारा अगर फंस जाए इस मामले में तो of such false evidence with death or imprisonment for more than 7 years, the person who threatens shall be punished with the same punishment, and sentenced in the same manner, and to do the same extent such innocent person is punished and sentenced. मतलब जो innocent अगर फंस गया तो फिर जिसने फंसाया है वो अगर पकड़ा गया तो उसको फिर पनिशमेंट मिलेगी.